Hi people, we are going to learn some new hidden features of an iPhone calling system. So without wasting time, move towards the topic as we are having many things to cover up. So first of all, you have to click the settings and you have to drag down to the apps. See, this is the apps section and it will be the last of your settings. So you have to come here and you have to just simply drag down to the phone section and click the phone. So check, this is the phone we have access from app section. So you have to drag down and here you can see two options: silence unknown callers and call filters. So they are very useful for your peace, that no unknown caller can call you. So you have to simply click them and turn them on. You have to just turn on the toggles. And heading towards the second option, first of all we have to click this back icon and come outside in the main window of settings. So you have to click this accessibility and drag down. There will be option of touch. You have to just click it and drag down. So you have to prevent lock to end call. If you will turn it on, you have noticed that you are calling and sometimes we mistakenly click the button of power and the call gets disconnected. So this option is generally given by iPhone to prevent that misfunction openly happened by us mistakenly. So it's a very good feature given by an iPhone. So third feature will not be able to show as I am using an unregistered phone. So if you will call and you have to check here on this dynamic ident area or the screen corner of any other iPhone. So you have to just click the option which is visible, which will be a calling option, and there will be option of call isolation. If you will enable it, and afterwards you will feel that your voice is isolated and the background noise will be cancelled from your call. Sorry, the fourth feature which I'm gonna discuss to you is that whenever somebody calls you and you are into a meeting, so you can simply silence the call by clicking this power button power button and the volume button as well. So the call will be silent. It's also a good feature to save the time. So the last option or the last feature we are going to discuss is the most needed feature to ensure security. First of all, you have to come into this app section. Again, you have to scroll down to phone and you have to click this announce call. See, you have multiple options depending on the conditions. So it is asking that when you want to make your calls announced, so always headphones in car, headphones only, or never. I have set it to never, but you can select or open it or avail it in your own interests. So today the topic is over and the video has gotten too much long. So for the next features to be discussed, you have to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to ring the bell icon. Thank you.